A very good morning, dear students. Welcome back to RV online class. Today, I'm going to teach you that our animal friends. In previous class, our green friends, we learned about plants. Today's session, we are going to learn about animals. Okay. Do you see many animals surrounds you? For example, cat, dog, buffalo, cow. These are animals seen around us. Some animals live in forest. Those are tiger, lion, camel, elephant. These are animals live in forest. Before I'm going to explain your topic, I will give some important words on this topic. You have to note down in your notebook. Okay? Important words. Important words. Pet animals. Pet animals. Second, domestic. Domestic. Domestic animals. Domestic animals. Farm animals. F-A-R-M. Farm animals. Animals. Next, honeybee. 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 Fifth one is earthworm. 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 Silkworm. 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 Insects. 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 Cockroach. 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 Aquatic animals. Aquatic. Aquatic animals. Amphibious. Amphibians. Amphibians. Amphibians and flightless. 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 These are the important words. I will read once again, students. First one is pet animals. PETNIMALS. Pet animals. Domestic animals. Farm animals. Honeybee. Earthworm. Silkworm. Insects. Cockroach. Aquatic animals. Amphibians and flightless. These are the important words on this chapter. Can I rub this, students? You have to note down in your notebook these important words. There are different types of animals in the world. Many animals we see in our surroundings. Some of them are big and some of them are small. Some animals live with us in our home. There are many types of animals. Some animals are live with us in our house. They are called pet animals or domestic animals. Both are same. Pet animals or domestic animals. First one is pet animals. Pet animals or domestic animals. The animals which stay with us in our home, we call it domestic or pet animals. Animals live with us, in our house. In our house are called pet animals or domestic animals. Okay. Examples of pet animals are, which animals stay in your home, students? Yes, they are cat, dog, parrot, pigeon are the pet animals. The animals stay with us in our house. We call them pet animals or domestic animals. Next, farm animals. Farm animals. Farm animals. Some animals near our house or in the farms. They are called farm animals. What are the farm animals, students? Some animals live near our house or in farms. Some animals live near our home or in farms. Farm means many animals together live in the same place. It is called farm. Those animals called, for example, of pet animals are dog and cat, parrot are the examples of pet animals. Which animals stay with us in our home? We call them pet animals or domestic animals. Farm animals. Examples of farm animals are cow, sheep, hen. Cow, sheep, hen, buffalo, camel are the farm animals. Farm animals are used for us in many ways. Domestic and farm animals help us in many ways. Dog help us guard our home. Next, what do cow give us, students? Yes, cow gives us milk. Hen gave eggs, and also we get meat from hen. Camel. Camel is used for carry the things. Sheep gives us wool, and meat of the sheep used for food, and also from goat we get milk. And honeybee. What honeybee gives you, students? Yes, honeybee gives you honey. And from silkworm, what we get? We get silk from silkworms and earthworm. And earthworms make our soil fertile. 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 Fertile means ಫಲವತ್ತತೆ ಅದು ಭೂಮಿನ ಹದ ಮಾಡ್ತದ್ರಿ. It makes we get a good soil from earthworm. It's make our soil fertile. Okay, these are the uses of domestic and farm animals. Farm animals, domestic and farm animals help us in many ways. Dog guard our home, gives us milk, hen gives us egg, and camel carry loads in desert. Camel usually stay in desert. It is the ship of desert. Ship means it carry things from one place to another place. Sheep. Sheep gives us milk and meat. And we get milk from wild animals. Some animals live in jungles. They are called wild animals. Some animals live in jungles. Jungles are called wild animals. Are called wild animals. Jungle means forest. Some live in jungles are called wild animals. For example, elephant, bear, tiger are the examples of wild animals. Wild animals live in jungle. That's why we call them wild animals. Next, insects. Do you know insects name? Yes, butterfly, cockroach, housefly, mosquito are the examples of insects. Insects means small animal. Insects means what? Small animal. Small animals. Small animals are called insects. Okay, students, do you got this? Insects. Small animals are called insects. For example, housefly and mosquito. Housefly, mosquito. Housefly and mosquito are the examples of insects. Insects means the small animals. Housefly, mosquito, honeybee, cockroach, butterfly, spider are the examples of insects. Next, aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. Aquatic aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. Animals live in water. Aquatic means water animals. Water animals. Many animals live in water. They are called aquatic animals. Do you saw animals live in water? Yes, students. It is fish, shark, starfish are the examples of aquatic animals. Many animals live in water. Many animals live in water. Live in water. Live in water. They are called aquatic animals. They are called aquatic animals. Examples of aquatic animals are fish, fish, dolphin, fish, dolphin, starfish, octopus, horse, seahorse are the example of aquatic animals. Aquatic animals means these animals do not stay without water. It lives in water only. Without water, we can't live. We call it aquatic animals. Some animals can live on land on as well as water. Some animals are there, they can live in land or water both sides. We call them amphibians. Amphibians. Amphibians means the animals they can live in water or the land. For example, frog, crocodile, tortoise, they can live without water and in water also. Okay. Amphibians. AM, PHI, PI, KNS, amphibians. Amphibian means animals live in water or both in land also as well as land. Some animal, some animals can live on land as well as in water. The animals can live in land or as well as water. They are called Amphibians. Amphibians. They are called amphibians. Some animals can live in water. Amphibians means what, students? Amphibians means the animals they can live in water as well as land. Examples of amphibious animals are frog, duck, crocodile, tortoise are the examples of amphibians animals. Amphibians means they can live in water as well as in land. Okay. These are the amphibians animals. Next, birds. Have you saw birds in your surroundings? Many different colors birds are there in your surroundings. They have wings to fly. Birds. Some animals can fly in the air. Animals can fly in the air. They are called birds. Some animals can fly in the air. Are called birds. Have you seen many birds in our surroundings? Give me any two examples. Yes, it is owl, crow, eagle, parrot, pigeon. Many birds are there. Kingfisher are the birds. They can fly in the air. Okay. Some birds cannot fly. These are called flightless birds. Flightless birds means they cannot fly. They can only walk. They cannot fly in the air. Such birds, we call them flightless. Examples of flightless birds are penguin, kiwi are the flightless birds, and ostrich also they cannot fly. Ostrich also they cannot fly. That is the biggest bird. Okay. What we call some birds can swim in water. They eat fish worms in the water. Swan and duck are lives in water. They can swim in water and they can eat fish and warm water available in water. Okay, these all about birds. These are about birds. Birds means they can fly in the air, and some animals cannot fly in the air. We call them fireless birds. Examples are penguin and kiwi birds. Now they cannot fly. Students, hope you enjoyed today's session. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.